So I am going to be switching up the exhaust system here. I just picked up a Invidia R400. We're getting rid of the Gretty, guys. We're getting rid of the Gretty. It was lovely while it lasted. It was actually my second setup on the car. Before I had axle backs. I had some Remark axle backs. It's kind of rowdy, but wanted something a little more mature. The problem with the Gretty is when you want to run a diffuser, the fitment kind of gets crazy. Look, Adrian, he's helping us again. I want to run a diffuser in the future. I've got this for a steel. It looks beautiful. So we're gonna pop it on, see how it sounds. I'm gonna take some before and after clips of the car just to kind of compare, see what sounds better, see what y'all like. All right, so we're gonna get started. Super good deal, relatively good condition. I think I might paint these black. We'll see. Just kind of give that stealth look, but you know, we'll find out later. All right, guys, so the car's jacked up. Gretty is in 2 pieces, so it should be pretty easy to take out. We're gonna try to take it out in 1 piece and try to assemble this one before we put it on, or while we do it.
I think it's better to assemble it first.
Assemble it first? All right.
Assemble it first.
We'll assemble it first. All right, guys, stay tuned. Gretty out. All right, we got to take the mid-pipe section out, and then we'll put this one in. I think I'm gonna do like a swap for swap. So like while I'm down there, like swap this in, take the other one out. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, and just like that, that one is out, and this one is going in.
We're good. We just gotta align the gasket just like this. The gaskets that came are metal. They're still pretty good, so we're gonna reuse those. Race cars are meant to be catless, guys. Catless, shooting flames, free flowing. That's how they're meant to be. So if you got a problem with that, then you got a problem with race cars. And you got a problem with me.
And if you got a problem with him,
and if you got a problem with me,
you got a problem with the Subaru community.
Exactly, gangster, bro. All right, guys, so we got everything on, looking dope. So we're gonna lower the car, we're gonna turn her on, give it a little bit of rev. Car's still warm, so let's see how she sounds.